Alright, corn hair. We don't want any corn hair in there, right?
Nope.
Nope. Okay. We gotta get another one out?
And don't get the corn hair in there.
No. What do you think corn hair tastes like?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I think it tastes like hair.
Tastes like hair? Like your hair? What's it taste like?
It tastes like nothing.
No?
No, it tastes like nothing.
It tastes like nothing?
No.
Alright, well we don't want it to get caught in our teeth, right?
No.
So we're gonna take the corn hair off. We have another. Oh, let's throw the corn hair in the garbage.
Yeah.
You want to get a garbage bag? Or you want to move the garbage closer? Or you want to walk it over?
I want to move it closer.
Move it closer, okay.
Yeah, because we don't want to walk it.
We don't want to walk it. Boom.
Boom, chicka-lacka.
Boom chicka-lacka.
We need this hair.
Oh, okay, we'll clean the rest of it later. Okay, let's take this corn hair off. And the husk. That's the husk. Nice. Oh, get it off. Oh, yeah, rip. Yeah, nice. I'll throw that out.
Huh?
I'll take that out. You want me to do the hair?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Oh, what are you going to do with the hair?
I'm just gonna put it in.
You're just going to put it in the garbage?
Yeah.
Ew.
And it almost falls.
Okay.
There all this cornmeal in here.
Look at that. Oh, man, we're going to have to sweep.
Yeah, we need to sweep.
Yep.
But I'm a good sweeper.
You're a good sweeper?
Yeah.
Are you the best sweeper?
But only when someone sweeps the floor.
Oh, how do you...
Then I sweep.
And then you sweep.
Oh,
Oh, that's a little corn.
that
Nice.
wasn't very easy.
That was really easy.
I thought it was hard.
The last one was hard, right?
Yeah, the last one was really hard.
And what do you think? We should boil these? And we should cut them? Or should I just break them in half like that?
I think you just have to boil them.
Just break them?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
Can you break it? Do it.
oh my god. Ow.
No? Can't do it? Okay, I got it.
It just freaked.
I got it. Ready, break. Ready, break. Boom. Okay.
Boom, chicka-lacka.
Boom chicka-lacka. Corn is prepped. Can you say that? Can you say that? Corn
Now
is...
look how good he is there.
Oh no. Alright, can you say that? Corn is prepped?
Yep.
Say it.
Corn is flipped.
Alright, ready to go. What's next to prep? Let's go into the refrigerator.
Uh-huh.
Let's see. Should we take out the onions? No?
I think we should do that.
Strawberries? Okay, come on.
I
Here's-
think one more thing we could take out.
What? Oh, you like those?
Yeah,
Okay.
they're blackberries.
Yeah, you like blackberries?
Yeah. Then-
So
And
you
this
like...
is a hard piece to get out.
It is a hard piece. I gotta cut that in half.
Yeah.